Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about best settings on your Android phone to boost performance and improve the battery life by limiting some of the apps in the background on your Android phone. Quite a lot number of people that are using Android phone have different apps, but they are not aware that some of these apps here are still running in the background, and as a result of that, they consume a lot of battery, a lot of data, and make your phone lagging most time you operating on the Android phone. And as a result of that, I'm giving you the best settings right here to limit app running in the background on your Android phone and how to boost performance and improve the lifespan battery of your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to open up settings. After you open up your Android phone settings, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for my phone, or go ahead and check on about phone on your Android phone. On getting to my phone or about phone, go ahead and make sure you look for fashion info. Click on fashion info. It takes you right here. What you need in this section here is build number. Go ahead and tap in your build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you are now a developer. We are doing this to enable developer mode. Once you enable developer mode, the next thing you want to do is to say how to limit some of the app in the background on your Android phone that cause your battery drain. And at the same time, once you limit the background app running in your Android phone, you are improving performance and boost the battery lifespan on your Android phone. And this is one of the best settings you need to take note right now on your Android phone. So for that, go ahead and go back right there, continue to go back, and the next thing you want to do is to look for your developer options. For that, go ahead and click on search, and then what you want to do right here is to go ahead and type in developer right here. Go ahead and type in developer, and then go ahead and click on developer options right here. So I'm going to click on developer options. Then now you are in developer environment right here. So what you need to do right here is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to background limits. Continue to scroll down. 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 Continue to scroll down until you get to background process limit right here. Go ahead and click on it to open up your background process limit right here. By default, you have it to be standard limit. Here, you can decide the number of apps you want to be run in the background of your Android phone. You can decide that just 2 apps can be run in the background of your Android phone. Or better still, you can decide to make it at most 4 process, which simply means that automatically Android is going to assign background process on some of the 4 apps on your Android phone. However, you can decide to put it in no background processor. By doing that, you are improving the performance of your Android phone, and at the same time, you are boosting the battery lifespan of your Android phone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a standard limit, which enable Androids to decide which app needs to be run in the background in order to boost the performance and improve the lifespan battery of my Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on best setting on your Android phone devices, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.